I love how they have this fishery area decorated. I came to this spot because you can keep any browns here. And there's the creek. We were catching a bunch of sun browns downstream, but they were all over what you could keep. And here someone's even nice enough to mow a path down to the creek. So we just hooked up. I thought I was recording. We've been fishing for a while. This is the first fish we caught. It's probably like a 15-incher. Really nice looking fish. You can't keep, I'm gonna start keeping fish, but you can't keep any fish over 12 inches, and this fish is well over 12 inches. It's a nice fish though. Nice looking brown. We're getting hits now on this follow, but there's a keeper. There's their under pit strap thing. I shouldn't have my wallet in here. Fishing their unders. We got our fancy stringer. Fish on. We only got one keeper. Shit. I bet you this fish is over too. This fish is close. We probably should measure this guy. We're right up here by the road. We'll just let it go. That fish is probably over. It's a nice looking brown though. Now all of a sudden we're catching them. All of a sudden there are a bunch of fish biting. I think this one's a keeper though. This one's like a 10. That one's close. I think that one's under. We need to get our 5 keepers. no issue catching fish up here earlier. The brown. Is it a brook? Yes, it's a brown, isn't it? Yeah, it's a brown. Good. Trout. We're catching 5 keepers. Should we keep this trout? Is it a brown or is this a brook? Holy crap, that thing is tiny. We better make sure we're recording. Oh my, that thing's so cute. It's like a sardine trout. Oh, you got a giant. We got some dinks and a half. Oh my. Sardine browns. These are so cute. Fish are really small up here for some reason. The lower part would be good fishing. The brown, we'll keep it. One more. So this is going to be my last trout fishing video for a while. I might try and making this video. I don't know. I might catch a few trout on accident at this one pond by me. I don't know if there's any in there because they stocked some in there, but I don't know how many there actually are. I'll probably try ice fishing it at least. But I don't think I'll be doing any actual creek fishing for a long time because the closest creeks are in the Black Hills or in southeast Minnesota, which are both like 3 hours away. That you could fish until the spring. So I'm not gonna have any trout fishing videos for a while. But I'll definitely have lots of walleye, perch, bluegill, northern, whatever else I catch videos. So if you like them, keep watching my content. That'll be it for this video.